is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time clicking on my video and seeing this beautiful, wonderful face, it's your girl Sasha. So thank you again so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to all my returning subscribers, and also if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Like, hit that subscribe button to support your girl. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Like, come on, like, why not? So by the title you know what we'll be doing. I know this background is a bit different. I'm in the outside shower. Hope nobody's seeing me like the neighbors, because that would be embarrassing. Anyways, yes guys, by the title you know what we'll be doing. I am going to be washing my 4C natural hair, and I just wanted to show you guys like what I would do. To be honest, there's nothing fancy to it. There's nothing, you know it's something. I watch some hair videos and people using a lot of products. I only have shampoo and my white teeth comb. That's all. So all I want to do is shampoo my hair. I don't have any conditioner, guys. You know the time we're living in right now, and the beauty stores are closed where I am. That is, so well, we could have get shampoo but the money. So this is like a poor girl type of video, type of hair routine wash day. So yeah, I just want to wash my hair. Join me. So let's get, oh, and also when I wash my hair, I'm going to show you the products that I normally would use. So if you're not yet seeing those videos, I'm going to put the card somewhere up here, or you can just go and check it out to spare me the trouble. So enough rambling, I chat too much. Let's get this show on the road. I just pulled out my twist outs, so I sectioned them. So what I'm going to do now is just take out the elastic bands and get my hair ready for the water first. One bird just passed with quiet. I'm thinking of something. What could I think? Anyways. Alright, so now that I'm coming to the best of my ability, let's get this show on the road. I changed my shirt, guys, you know. So I'm just starting off by wetting up my hair, because you can't add shampoo to dry hair. That wouldn't make sense. So I think I'm going to be shampooing my hair about 2 or 3 times, just because I don't have my conditioner. So yeah, I'm going to cut out majority of me washing my hair, because who wants to come on a video to see a person wash their hair from start to finish? Like, that would be a long time to be on a video just to see one person washing their hair. So I don't really have a special shampoo, to be honest. Like, whatever my pocket can afford, that's a shampoo I would buy, whether VO5 or the one you see me using in the video right now. And there are times I just don't have any conditioner or shampoo around, so I'll just take up the packet. You know, sometimes you have some packet ones around the yard, just because, you know, people would be dyeing their hair or relaxing their hair, and the shampoo would just come in the container. I know that's not a good idea if I wanted to take proper care of my hair, but as I said before, there are just moments, there are just times you just can't go for the actual thing. So yeah. So now I am going to go in with my shampoo for a second time. I think I'm going to do it for 2 or 3 times. I think the 3rd time would be off camera. And yeah, just lather my hands with the shampoo, put it in my hair and just massage it in. from like the temples. You guys know what the temple is. I think you might, you know. I'm using cosmetology terms here because I used to do Cosmo in high school, so I have a good idea of the regions of your head. Nothing hard to it. Everybody washes their hair. I don't know what happened to the audio right here, so I'll probably have to just talk, you know, do the voice over. So I was just showing you guys that I'm using the cushions of my finger to just massage the scalp. This way it helps, you know, to remove any like excess dirt or dandruff, as we call it, or dandruffs as Jamaicans would say. I'm going in now with my white teeth comb from the ends of my hair, working it up to the roots. So that's how I detangle my hair while I have in the shampoo. I don't know if I want a song or a single, so then I was saying a trouble when I trouble you. I don't know why I'm gonna turn on the outside shower. Without consider whether I should have washed my hair out there or continue back into the washroom. So I decided to just go back into the washroom. So I'm going in now and rinsing all of that shampoo out and get ready for my other step for this wash hair routine. So now just gonna put some products and get it soft. So let's get started. Ooh, your girl is getting rough. Going in now my Aunt Jackie's. So put some in there, get this all softened. You wanna around me, yeah, yeah, yeah. God put you around me. Satan, me know you can't stop me. It can go on like the wall. No, sir, I don't think you can. You know, I'm just before we get copyright, yeah, I'm continue me here. This me, I want you. You gotta call you. Oh, we are called curry anyway. Right, I call me curry head. So guys, if you're wondering what I'm using, it's the Contour Daily Oil Moisturizer. So I don't feel like twisting up my hair today, so I'll probably just do it big, flat them up big, and then just leave it till tomorrow. I just do it when I have more time because the day is going down and I just don't feel like it. So you know, us girls with 4C natural hair, we always have to ensure that our hair is in a protective style before going to bed, because you don't want to leave your hair out like how it's now and wake up the next morning expecting it to be soft. Like, nah, that ain't going to work. So we always have to do a protective style, whether it's plaiting your hair, twisting your hair, cornrow, or cane row as we Jamaicans say. You know, anything that just keep the ear locked so you can pull it out and style it however you want the other day. Or you can also keep the protective styles as well. So what I'm just doing right here is just like parting my hair and twisting it in big sections, of course, because I couldn't bother to just twist up it fine today. You know, as I said, the day was going down. So when I woke up the next morning, I decided to do an updo or catch up, as we just say in Jamaican terms. But I don't know why, like anytime I catch up my hair, I don't know if it's just me, but my hair is tender, or my scalp I should say. So it's just like I couldn't. Oh no, I'm gonna twist up my hair as I'm here recording and talking to you guys over this voice over. Guys, please excuse please excuse the mouth movements. I think I was eating chicken chips, yeah, a snack. So now I'm just going in with my scarf, my head scarf, to just like, you know, say I not see the sense me didn't go put on scarf because I end up never sleeping night. So I guess for the sake of the video, just to keep the moisture locked, I guess, and yeah, that's me here they look away still for go to road. Well, not go to road, but you get the gist, right? Even if me go outside and look what go on and me gate, it just never look nice enough. So we just wrap it here, guys. So this is my little hair routine. Yeah, so all I did was just wrap up my hair. Tomorrow I'm planning to just do my normal twist outs, or probably you'll see me doing like a ketchup style. I don't know. But if you don't see me with another style, I'm going to go back to my go-to style. And if I'm not yet seeing that video, I'll probably put the place card somewhere above the screen so you can go and check that out, so I don't do, you know, any more twist outs on camera since I already have a video. So guys, this is the end of the video. Mommy, stop! You always have a video bomb my video. She always have it. Yes guys, as I was saying, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy what I was doing. Just a simple how I wash my 4C natural hair, like my wash hair routine. It's nothing fancy, nothing much. I just not sure yet. Yes guys, so as I was saying, nothing fancy, because you know you have some tutorials out there where people are just using a lot of products. I don't have a lot of products, just what you see me using, just the contour and the Aunt Jackie's Curlala and the shampoo, because we ran out of conditioner. So yeah, let me know how you do your wash hair routine down in the comment section. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Helps your girl a lot. And don't forget to like this video. I hope again you enjoy it. So until next time, bye. Thank you guys. Bye guys.